video, we're going to talk about how to make $10 per day online.
Gain maximum knowledge by updating your message. Do that by subscribing and clicking the notification bell.
And this is the proven way how I earn money from StockLeaks.com. Okay guys, to earn $10 per day online, I have a super quality idea. For anyone who is jobless or anything, just open your web browser and search for StockLeaks.com. In this website, you can make per day $10 to $100 by just clicking ads, or you can advertise your business activities. And when you sign in, you can see there are two accounts. One is the publisher and the other is the advertiser. The advertiser account is to advertise your business activities, or the publisher account to make money. Now we're going to make money, so let's sign up. Publisher sign up or the advertiser. If you want to make online money, select the publisher sign up method. In this, there are some forms to fill: your first name, last name, blah blah blah, and many of the details. You fill and make sure they're asking for a referral ID. The link in the description below to paste it. You copy and place the referral ID to get an additional $50 when you're starting up. Okay, now I'm not creating an account because I am already account, so I'm gonna sign in. I'm signing in my account. Okay, after you created, you can sign in with your account to make $10 per day, and it's an easy method to make online money if you're jobless or anything. Okay, now I came to my account. This is the StockLeaks.com where you can make money around $10. Now I have already taken out my money, so the balance is 0.79. This membership is a silver member, but before that, I'm saying when you click ads, okay, you make sure you upgrade your account into gold member or platinum member or any other to earn more money faster. Gold member, if you upgrade, you can earn more than $7, and if you upgrade the platinum member, you can earn more than $11 per day. $11 per day means for a month you can earn $300. It's a very simple, easy method you can earn in your spare time. And before you're earning, there are something PPC ads, inbox settings, bonuses, and many options. Now to earn money, we have to click the PPC ads. In this, you can see many advertisements are displayed to us. You have to click on any advertisement. You can see here the change in my balance. You have to click all the advertisements to earn money. You saw my balance is getting changed when I click all the ads. And this is a very easy way. See, $0.90 from 0.79 to 0.90, I have earned this much. And if you're a gold membership, you can earn per day $7.70 per day. Okay, now this is the very easy method to earn money online in 2019. Top members means the people who have earned more money in this website. Here Jay is from Canada. He has earned $150. Christopher from USA, he has earned $143, and many from one countries. They have earned many by just clicking ads. And if you want to earn, check out this and make sure you subscribe this video, and thank you for watching this video.